Sueda salsa is the vanguard of improving alkali soil. Sueda salsa is the vanguard of improving alkali soil, which can increase soil nutrient content, improve soil fertility, reduce the content of heavy metal cadmium in soil, and make alkali soil healthy. Deep into the National Nature Reserve of the Yellow River Delta, a huge red carpet catches the eye, with its form like brocade and flames like fire, and gulls hovering above, creating a picturesque scenery. Every autumn and winter season, you can see this beautiful red carpet. It is woven from salt marsh soda ash plants that are only about 20 centimeters tall. Sueda salsa is an annual herbaceous salt accumulating plant, which is a typical indicator plant of alkali soil. It is distributed in saline alkali beaches, lakeside, and deserts from south to north in China, and it is densely distributed on the muddy tidal flat at the mouth of the sea and forms a large area of red carpet landscape. Don't underestimate this grass, its energy is not small. It is the vanguard of improving alkali soil, and is called salt expert by researchers and ordinary people. Some barren alkali soil has been eaten by Sueda salsa for 3 or 4 years and gradually improved to normal farmland. In addition, it can increase soil nutrient content, improve soil fertility, reduce the content of heavy metal cadmium in soil, and make alkali soil healthy. Sueda salsa is a treasure all over, or a paradise for birds. In the center of the red carpet, groups of waterfowl sometimes leisurely forage, and sometimes spread their wings and dance. When you are lucky, you can also see the Saunders gull, a national-level key-protected wild animal, which has settled down on the tidal flat where Sueda salsa grows and has a rest with young birds. In recent years, due to environmental pollution, reclamation, and aquaculture, the once spectacular red carpet landscape has become rare. Typical vegetation in coastal wetlands such as Sueda salsa has gradually disappeared, and the coastal wetland ecosystem in the Yellow River Delta is facing enormous pressure of shrinkage and degradation. In 2018, the Ministry of Ecology and Environment, the National Development and Reform Commission, and the Ministry of Natural Resources jointly issued the Action Plan for Comprehensive Governance of the Bohai Sea, deploying and promoting the governance of prominent ecological and environmental issues in the Bohai Sea, and organizing the implementation of ecological restoration projects in the Bohai Sea, mainly including comprehensive remediation and restoration of coastal wetlands and coastal beaches. With the technical support of the Anti-Coastal Zone Research Institute of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and other scientific research institutions, Dongying has stepped forward to restore the coastal wetlands in the Yellow River Delta. Planting Sueda salsa is an important work, and I am a participant. In 2019, the 2nd Division, Taiyuanguan City, in conjunction with the China Geological Survey Urumqi Natural Resources Comprehensive Survey Center and the Chinese Academy of Sciences Xinjiang Institute of Ecology and Geography, established a project team to implement the scientific research project of agricultural drainage, saltwater screening, halophytes and sand fixation and soil improvement application demonstration in the 33rd Regiment. At present, this project has achieved remarkable results. The project team has successfully planted 26 kinds of high salt-tolerant plants, such as Sueda salsa and Salicornia, in the heavily saline soil with a salt content of more than 3%, which is valuable for promoting the ecological recycling of saline soil and saline water resources and sustainable agricultural development in arid and semi-arid areas, said Liao Ying. I planted 10 acres this year, with a yield of about 300 kilograms per acre. The average net income per acre of salted Sueda salsa harvested alone is 2,000 yuan. Employee Li said that salted Sueda salsa has high edible and medicinal health value. Our group has registered the Guangsa Kai trademark and created a unique organic vegetable brand. Sueda salsa is rich in potassium salt, potassium carbonate, potassium sulfate, potassium chloride, which can be used in chemical, glass, pharmaceutical, etc. Potassium sulfate and potassium chloride can be used as potash fertilizer. The residue of extracting oil from Sueda salsa seeds contains over 25% crude protein, which can be used as a good source of feed protein. Adding salt-based Sueda salsa feed to live pigs can increase their daily weight gain, reduce feed consumption, lower blood triglyceride levels, and help improve the body's immunity.